How to use Klarna In-Store. Want to use Klarna in a physical store? This guide shows you how to use Klarna In-Store so you can pay with flexible options. First, you'll need to open the Klarna app and go to the card section. From there, you can create a one-time card. This is a virtual Visa card with a specific spending amount. You can set the amount that you want to spend, including tax and shipping if available. Once you've created the card, you can add it to a digital wallet, like Apple Pay or Google Pay. It will work just like a regular credit or debit card. When you're ready to pay at a store, just open a digital wallet and tap your phone on your card reader to pay. It's easy. The in-store purchase will be processed just like an online purchase. You'll see the transaction in the Klarna app and a payment plan will be automatically created. It's a great way to use the Klarna for the in-store purchases. You now know how to use Klarna in-store. Get ready to pay with flexible options. Like and subscribe for more finance tips.